Y'all, welcome back to Harmon Homestead Ranch. So it's early Wednesday morning, May 21st, 2025, and I wanted to show you guys this. So these are our feed drums. This is what I use for feed storage for chickens. They're plastic with a secure lock on the side. They have lids like that. You can lock them up. They've got the rings. Otherwise, you can just put this on it, and I've never had an animal get in these. So that's just a quick tidbit. And we always talk about what kind of chicken feed, blah, 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 to feed your animals. But we never talk about storage. So I wanted to show you guys this. They come from our local feed store. They're very durable. I've got a huge drum there. I know it'll hold two 100-pound sacks of chicken feed, the biggest one. A 50-pound sack will fill it up halfway. But anyways, guys, what I wanted to show you is the dangers of this stuff with homesteading. And we always talk about snakes. We always talk about, that's the main thing, or either deer is pests, but I want to show you this. So in here, I've got an old styrofoam cup. This fell apart. That was a transplant cup that I'm using for my chick starter, scooping it out, okay? And when I come to the end of the bucket, I'll pick it up and I'll turn it into this little black bucket here and just tote it to my chickens. Well, I have noticed this every time that I've done this with these buckets, so I want y'all to be aware. And I don't know if you have this problem where you live. I pick it up, and sure enough, right there, every time, scorpions. Scorpions under every bucket. Now, I'm just gonna take care of that. But that, that's just something to be aware of. You'll get the little pill bugs, the roly-polies. I don't have them in my garden. I guess just because this is I don't know, this concrete. It's an extension to a shop here. But yeah, every time there's scorpions, every time. And some are pretty doggone large. That one's not that big. So you don't want to get bit by that, okay? You don't want that on your shoe, your foot. I don't come out here in flip-flops. My husband, he can walk out here, whatever, and he's fine with it. I am not, because I see stuff like this. I just don't want to put myself at risk. I, at minimum, wear tennis shoes. Always. Usually snake boots, especially this time of the year. In the winter, I'll just wear tennis shoes down here. But you still have to watch for stuff like that. Now, see? I gotta get him. But anyways, that's something to watch for, and I just wanted y'all to be aware. So I'm going to take care of this, and we'll see you next time on Harmon Homestead Ranch.